Concord Wastewater Treatment is a critical facility responsible for treating wastewater and ensuring the environmental health of Concord, New Hampshire. Serving both residential and commercial needs, the facility processes a significant volume of wastewater daily to meet regulatory standards and protect public health. Concord Wastewater Treatment used to rely on a paper-based check-in process for commercial haulers. Drivers would fill out a slip of paper, drop it in a box in the lobby, and then go on to make their delivery. Meanwhile, the administrator manually tallied the haul information by hand, making it a slow and error-prone task. Now, with the new self-service kiosk in the lobby, drivers no longer need to fill out paperwork. They simply scan their RFID fob at the kiosk to quickly access their account information. Next, the driver enters their haul total, taps submit, and that's it. No more paperwork, no more waiting. It's fast, easy, and paperless. For administrators, the transformation is even more significant. No more manually counting and tallying paper slips. With the new system, reports are automatically generated, giving administrators instant access to accurate data. It's a faster, more reliable way to manage operations. Contact us today for this turnkey product that can be easily customized for your needs.